Once you're done matting your 1-point perspective artwork, your next step is going to be to fill out your evaluation form. So there's 2 things you're going to need to do. Grab your evaluation form. It should look like this. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to answer these questions in complete sentences. So what I'm asking you to do is I'm asking you to look at the question, and I'm asking you to take this question and to reword the question so that it becomes part of your answer. So for example, why did you choose this perspective option? Your answer might be, I chose this perspective option because, and then give the explanation as to why you wanted to do that particular option. How do the ideas, shapes, patterns, and or designs represent you? And you could say the ideas, shapes, patterns, and designs represent me because I like, and then give an explanation and be specific. So you do get a grade for this. So I am asking you to use complete sentences. By rephrasing the question and putting it into your answer, it's allowing the reader to understand the question that's being asked to you without needing the question. And that's really something that a good writer knows how to do, especially when you're taking tests like the MCAs or anything like that. So that's always a key when you are answering questions, to take the question and rephrase it and make it part of your answer, making sure that it is done in complete sentences. So once you're done with this, I want you to think about for a minute, and this is going to help me, how can I improve the lesson for next year's students? What advice or suggestions do you have? What would you like to see changed about the lesson? That would just be helpful to me for future. When you're done with this side of the paper, what you will do is you will turn your paper over. Make sure your name and your homeroom teacher is at the top, and I think it's just on this side. And you are going to look at each of the categories. So understanding art concepts, artistic development, this is revising and refining, your craftsmanship, and your effort. So a number 4 is advanced, a number 3 is proficient, a number 2 is developing, a number 1 is emerging. So what I'd like for you to do is I would like for you to circle the area that you think best fits. So read each of these, circle the one that you think best fits understanding art concepts for what you did, circle it, and total your grade over here. So if you gave yourself a 3 proficient, a 3 would go in this space. You're going to do that for each one of these, and then at the bottom you're going to total your points. You can earn up to 16 points. 15, 16 points is a 4, 12, 14 is a 3, 8, 11 is a 2, 0, 7 is a 1. Be honest on this, because what I will do is I will take a look at the grade that you gave yourself, and I will take a look at the artwork. And if I disagree with this grade, I think you're being you're grading yourself too easy, and I think you had some mistakes in there or some things you could have worked on a little bit more. I will circle the area that I think could have used some more work, and I will lower your grade, and I will post your grade over here. If I think you graded yourself too, if you were too hard on yourself, and I think you deserved a better grade, I will just increase your grade right here, and I will, he'll have your final grade up there. So you'll get a chance to see kind of where I was. So anyway, so when you fill this out, you are then going to take this evaluation, you're going to paper clip it to your artwork and turn it in for a grade. And we're on to the next unit.